your girl Justine, and I'm back with another video. Oh, hey. Alright, so, y'all already read the title, so y'all already know what this is. Vlogmas Day 2. Vlogmas Day 2. I know you see the garbage behind me for mind your business, bro. Why you always looking at people in my kitchen and shit? Mind your neck. But anyway, so today for Vlogmas Day 2, we are going to be doing a little girl talk. You know, whoever wants to whatever talk. We're going to be making Christmas cookies, some hot chocolate, and to go with the hot chocolate, obviously you need the whipped cream, you know, and the ground cinnamon. You need the ground cinnamon. You need that. Can't make that without that. You know that? All right, cool. And then you need the marshmallows, okay? Because you see this? Oh, wait, there's no fucking marshmallows in this goddamn shit. What the fuck? Didn't these used to come with them little nasty, dry freeze shits that come inside that look like, I don't even know what the fuck that look like, to be honest. It look nasty. Alright, see, I'll be bullshitting, and this is why my videos be like 20 minutes. Alright, so, first things first, we're gonna make cookies. Y'all already know how to make these. Heat oven at 350, place dough on greased baking sheet. And that's gonna be this one. I wanna do this shit, bro. Anyway, and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Cookie surface and edges will be pale in color. Do not over bake. Don't tell me how to make my cookies. Like, what if, ooh, that felt nice. Ooh. Anyway, what if I wanted to be burnt on the edges and crispy? Then what? Then what? Anyway, let me stop bullshitting. So, guys, it is Vlogmas Day 2. And I'm having a hard time with it, okay? Like, already. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. This shit light. Yeah, baby. All right, so. Okay, so. First, we gonna do this. All right, wait a minute. I gotta try to get a nice thumbnail. Bro, what if they all fall and shit? I'm gonna be looking dumb. But that's fine. Okay, so we gonna do the little dum-dum. Ah! Got my thumbnail, y'all. Okay, now let's go. We gonna start cooking, baby. We gonna start cooking. Come on, now, fuck. All right, we gonna start cooking and baking shit. You know what I'm saying? Cooking chronicles. All right, so then we gonna take. Oh, y'all can't even see none. All right, so you finna take. Don't look at my titties now. You gonna take these. You gonna line them up just like this. In a pan. And yeah, I mean, like, your cookies don't all have to be facing the same way. I mean, like, if you're weird and it matters to you, then yeah. All right, and guys, we're just gonna make this because this filled up my pan. You know what I'm saying? This already filled up my pan, baby. All right, so then we're gonna take this. Come on. Grandma's hands left it. Oh, okay, let me stop. All right, so then you're gonna take these and you're gonna put them in here. And you're gonna do a timer for 10 minutes. That's what you're gonna do. All right, boom. 10-minute timer. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Get down, right? Oh, okay. So, guys, just work with me. Just work with me, baby. That's all you gotta do, girl. Come on! Guys, I'm on a journey. I'm on a huge journey with myself as far as working, making money, making my dreams happen, making everything come true. I'm on a journey, and I am on go time. If you guys want me to do a story time on how I went from working for other people to working for myself, you know, let me know, because I'll definitely do a story time, and I'll definitely let y'all know how I did it, what I did, the best strategies, you know, shit like that. So, All right, so now we finna do the hot chocolate, baby. We gonna do the hot chocolate. Wait, or should I wait till the cookies are done? No, because I like the cookies when they're warm, bro. That's the whole point. That's the whole point. All right, so this is what we finna do today. We gonna do it. All right, so I gotta get a bottle of water. Always gotta get the bottle of water, okay? And that's because, yeah, but don't, fuck. Ow, what was that? Don't use faucet water. It's nasty. There be shit floating in there. And all up in there. All right, guys, so I'm going to take my cup. See my cup. Oh, this cup a little spotty. Hold on. Yo. Swear to God. Motherfucker point. Shit. All right, this one's better. Okay, so we are going. Damn, little spotty still. Fuck. All right, so then we're going to do about this much. Okay? Oh, wait, that's too much. Okay, try again. We're going to do about this much of water. Okay, we're going to take this water. You could boil it. You could microwave it. You could do water. You could do milk. I got stuff in the microwave. Oh, my God, yo. See, I put stuff in here because like there's like certain things that I keep out on the stove that I did not want in the video. But that's fine. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna put this in here. We're gonna press the little beverage button. Where that? We're gonna do the little beverage button. I don't know what it is. But alright, it ain't even let me update the settings. Fuck, like this is my house and you telling me I can't update the settings? Type of shit is that? That don't make no sense to me. Anyway. So yeah, yes, day 2 of Vlogmas. You know what I'm saying? I just got done doing my OF content. Obviously, hence to why I'm dressed like this. But you know, I decided to put some pants on. You know what I'm saying? Put some pants on. Can't be cooking in the nude. Can't do that. That's for only fans. That ain't for here. That ain't for YouTube. YouTube gonna be like, bitch, fuck you doing? You know this is a family channel. And I'm gonna be like, no, it's not. What you mean it's family channel? No, nobody fucking. Anyway, but so I don't even know how long this shit microwaves for, bruh. Yo, you see this shit that I be having to deal with every day? Like, why my microwave gotta do that? Why I gotta do that? Alright, and we gonna get some sugar. Yes, you're supposed to put sugar in your hot chocolate. Don't let anybody tell you any fucking different. Because it be bland sometimes. Sometimes it be bland. And you need to add that extra squash. You know what I'm saying? Alright. I know you don't know what I'm saying because I just made that word up. Okay. So, we got this little bit of hot water. You see the steam? Look at that, looking good. Hey, cafe cup. Alright, see, I be bullshitting. Alright, so, we're going to take a packet of the Swiss cocoa. Oh, wait, we got to bring it closer. Come closer. Wait, come on. Dang. Come closer. Alright, anyway. Hey! Oh, okay. See, I be bullshitting, bro. This is why, like, shit be taking me forever. Okay, so what you gonna do? You gonna take your hot calcium. You gonna take your... Yo, what the fuck? Why am I so remedial? Why can't I get shit done? Oh, my God. Why did I pick this career? All right. So we're going to take the hot chocolate. We're going to put that in there. You see that? Look how that... Ooh, that's nice, girl. That's nice, baby. Yeah, girl. All right. We're going to take that. Gonna mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. All right, now we're going to put some sugar in first. Decent amount of sugar. Decent amount of sugar, because that's the point. It's supposed to be sweet. That's the point. All right. We're going to mix it. Gonna make our little do-da dance. Alright. So then this is how we gonna make this, okay? Alright. Now guys, I used to work in a cafe. Okay? Yes, I'll do. Yes, I'll do. Okay? So don't come at me. Don't come at me, because I know what I'm doing, baby. Alright, so we're gonna take 1 marshmallow. Just one. Just one marshmallow. Just one. Oh, shit. God damn it, bruh. Anyway, I'm going to say one marshmallow. We're going to cut these in halves. My counter's clean. I just washed it. Come at me if you want to. I don't give a fuck. All right. One marshmallow. And this is a big-ass cup, so we're going to do 2 marshmallows. Like I said, my counter is clean. I just washed it. All right, anyway. All right, then we got the ready whip, right? We're going to do that. We're going to do that, right? And this we going to, hold on. We got to make sure this look nice. We got to make sure this look nice. Okay, hold on. Gotta make sure, okay. Okay, gonna do that just like that. We're gonna put these on it, just like that. Then we're gonna do a little bit of cinnamon on it. Okay, and this is the hot chocolate, y'all. Okay, up close and personal. This is the hot chocolate. Hold on, let me take a picture of this just in case I want this to be the thumbnail. Oh, bitch! Yo, what the fuck? Okay. Oven light. All right, so now that I did that, we gonna do a little. Baby. Oh, I love you. Don't look at me. Mind your business. You ever made love to a cup before? The fuck? Baby. This is good. He's done. Oh shit! No, that was not. Them still real soft. Yo, this is good, baby. This is real good. Yo, bro, y'all need to make this shit at home, bro. Y'all, I'm for real. I swear to God. I'm mad my mellow fell off though. The fuck? I'm putting me another one on there. Yes, I am. Yes, I am, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is gonna cut off soon. I already know. But it's okay. I added some more on there. Oh, let's. That shit look good, bro. Okay. Okay. Yes, my cookies. My goodies, not my goodies. Hey, I bet you want the goodies. I bet you thought of. Oh, let me stop. See, this is why people be getting in trouble and shit. Alright. Cookies are done. And no, I don't like my cookies cold because that's fucking nasty to fuck. So we're gonna zoom in. We're gonna get this and we're gonna try this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what else you would want to see for Vlogmas. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of shit. A lot of shit. I didn't turn it off. See, y'all be burning down the house. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot of stuff. Okay? So, Oh, I don't even think. Oh, that ain't done. That ain't done. That ain't done. Wait, it might be. Maybe it just need to cool down a little bit. Oh. Okay, guys. So you know what? I'm gonna finish cooking this, and it's gonna be done. I'm about to sit here. I'm about to eat my cookies. I'm about to drink my milk, and it's about to be a scene. Thank you so much. And subscribe.